Want to know exactly who unfollowed you on Instagram? I'm going to show you a simple trick to find out, and the best part is you don't need to connect your account to any sketchy third-party apps. Let's dive straight in. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select Account Center. Scroll down and tap Your Information Permissions. And select Export Information. We need to request a specific file from Instagram. So hit Create Export. Select your Instagram account and tap Export to Device. Now Instagram defaults to downloading your entire account history, which takes forever. Let's speed this up. Tap Customize Information. Hit Clear All. Now scroll down to the Connection section and just check one box, Followers and Following. Hit Save and go to the date range and change it to all time. Hit Save. Go to the bottom and hit Start Export. Instagram is now building your file. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once you get the notification or email saying it's ready, head right back to this exact same page in your settings. You'll now see a download button. Tap it and save the file to your phone. Save, open. Tapping it once will unzip it. Tap into it. Now tap Connections, Followers and Following, and inside you'll see two files we need, a list of your followers and a list of who you're following. Here's the secret to instantly spotting unfollowers. Open your web browser and go to comparetolist.com. Under List A, tap Choose File and upload your following list. And under List B, tap Choose File and upload your followers list. Before you click Compare, make sure you check the box as the Instagram followers. Finally, hit Compare to List. Scroll down to the section labeled Only in A-List. Boom, right there is the exact list of people you currently follow who are not following you back. Time to go clean up that following list. We hope this helped, and if it did, please hit like and subscribe.